You're watching Channel 1, a multilingual channel. Browse through the playlist for your preferred language or click on the eye icon above for the Dutch audio. This is the home cooking series. And welcome to Romulo's Small Kitchen. Grow, cook, and discover with us. Good evening. Greetings from Holland. Romulo here, your uncle and kuya in the Netherlands. We'll be cooking tonight a simple recipe, soothing. May ulam ka na, may sabaw ka pa, good for hangovers. It's tinola, the simplest ever, tinola. Join me in this small kitchen and we'll make it. And these are our ingredients. Our classic recipe, the sofrito, the garlic, onion, and the ginger. Ginger specific to chicken. We need chicken. I specifically choose chicken thigh for this recipe. This tinola requires the not the 40 days chicken, so this will be long. So we'll be enhancing the flavor by using chicken cubes. And surprise, chili leaves for the tinola, and some potatoes to add to the flavor. I'm now armed with this ladle so we can begin. I won't be wearing an apron this time. This is a simple recipe, that's why. So we'll begin with the sofrito. Again, sofrito is just the basic stir-fry onion and garlic. The oil is still cold, but it's okay. And the ginger is not perfect either. There's a cavity. It doesn't matter. While doing this, I'd like to extend my warm greetings to our kayakap in the Philippines and in Riyadh and in Hong Kong. Thanks for your support, really. And you know what? With this cooking lessons, I also learned to beautify the kitchen. And look at my latest acquisition. This will look good on camera. It's red, but it's too small for this. Again, this is volume cooking. I'll be cooking for more than 6 portions. The rest I'll just be keeping in the refrigerator or freezer for my baon to the office. Now the garlic. 1 onion is not even sliced, or a half onion is not even sliced. That won't matter. There are even recipes that demand adding an entire onion. In my trip to Tuguegarao, we stopped at a roadside restaurant. It was a good restaurant, and they added half onions to the what was that? I think it was caldereta. And it was good. We can add the chicken. Due to this YouTubing thing, I've learned to use my left hand. I can use my right hand for shooting. It will cover the scene to the left hand. And by the way, this was not planned for shooting. This is my ulam tonight. And I want to film it. So this is reality cooking. Just leave it for a while. Just allow the sides to caramelize a bit. What we always hear from cooks, until golden brown or orangey. And since this is a soup-based recipe, we'll be transferring this chicken now to a casserole, just for our convenience. And then let's add water Let's water this down to get all its goodness and flavor. Sayang. More. The question is how much water. That depends how much soup you want. Al gusto, as we always say here. Al gusto. For the desired amount, or desired flavor. Just let it boil. And while we're boiling this, we'll go to our workstation and let's see the people who made us yakap, and let's yakap back. At this point, I'd like to thank Face World of Indonesia for the regular support, and to Snell Maltide with Mike in North Holland for the regular feedbacks, and to Agnes Artesa, possibly in the Middle East, for your support. Let's go back to cooking. It's time to add the patis. It's optional, by the way, but I don't know, but this always gives us a better flavor. And defrozen chili leaves from summer. Maybe 2 tablespoonfuls, or yeah, that would be enough. This is good for 8 people. My baon for I think 6 days. Let's just give it 5 minutes and it will be ready. So look, a simple chicken tinola on a Friday evening. What's more comforting than this? Honestly, it tastes really good. Oh, heavenly. Compared to the bihon that I recently did, this is 10 times better. Really, I don't know what happened here. It's really tastes heavenly. Thank you for watching and joining me in the kitchen. Stay connected. Yakap tayo forever, because more films will be coming. And see you also at the garden next episode. By the way, this is also available in Dutch version later, so don't watch that. Watch the English. Uncle Romulo here, your kuya in Holland. Thank you.